Get ready with me, Yapping edition. I should probably turn off this Cocomelon. So this morning I was watching my baby sisters for a couple hours while my family did gardening outside because that's like what they love to do. And then my boyfriend came over to help. And yeah, that's kind of been the deal this morning. Aaliyah's downstairs right now and she's kind of upset because she's like trying to tell us stuff and she said she wants her baba. And we gave her a bottle, but she doesn't seem to want it. So we're kind of confused, but I don't know. She's just a little bit upset today. Me and my family and my boyfriend are going to go out to Chili's in a few minutes because my mom doesn't feel like cooking or really have anything right now to cook. And we don't really go out a lot. Well, like we do, but not in a while. So we're going to go out to Chili's because just a little break. This is a lot. So I'm excited for that. And then I'm going to go to Ross later. In a lot of my videos, you guys ask like where my clothes are from, and they're mainly from Ross, which I know a lot of people like don't like Ross and they're like, oh my gosh, they're too like cheap, or like thrift store. They literally have such cute clothes. I think it's probably time to get a new concealer shade because this is like making me look so pale. But it's okay, we'll just use a lot of bronzer and hopefully that will like bring the tan back to my face. Also, guys, I have a bunch of videos that hit like 5K likes for the pink pom puff hoodie, and I just never like emailed her about it. I don't really know why, but I finally emailed her about it. I think I just like forgot, or they hit 5K and I didn't notice. So I emailed her for 2 hoodies, and then I emailed her for my free bikini, pink pom puff bikini, and also I'm gonna buy one too when they're released because like I love to support her. I love her. Oh my goodness, like something I've been noticing lately is like a lot of people really think that influencers' lives are like perfect. Like I thought that was fake that people thought that. Like it's genuinely crazy how people actually think that because nobody's life is perfect. There's obviously always stuff going on that you just don't see. And yeah, I thought I would just open up to y'all about that. 2 days ago, I was like really struggling. Just like not over something huge, just a bunch of things were bothering me and I can't really say it because I'm not trying to start drama or anything. I was like crying and upset the whole day. And then I felt even worse because I forgot that I didn't even post. And I love posting. I want to post for you guys every day, multiple times a day. So I really like am hard on myself and get upset when I don't post enough. My makeup looks so terrible right now. Terrible. It's because I'm rushing. This makes me so mad. I just wanted my makeup to look good. Like, I always have a problem with my concealer. It's so freaking ugly. I just need to calm down. Okay, I know this is like TMI, but I had a pimple on my chin, and it's been hurting so bad, and I finally got it. Thank God. Anyways, I feel like it's just weird, but I need some, like, friends. Like, I know this is low-key weird to say, but, like, I have friends, but I need more. Like, I need to like put myself out there more because I feel like when people try to be my friend, I like close off because I'm like, I already have a friend, I'm fine. But like, I need someone to like hype me up, you know? Like, you know those friends, like best friends on TikTok where they're like rooting for the other person to succeed in life? They're like, girl, like when they're taking the digital photos, they're like, oh my goodness, you're so beautiful, you're so gorgeous. Like, I need that hype woman. So if you're that hype woman, I love you and be my friend. I mean, my boyfriend is my hype man, but like, I need the hype woman. Not saying that the friends I have aren't that, because I love my friends dearly. They're absolutely amazing, but I just need to put myself out there more. Okay, finally the makeup is eating, and I know I like reapply products like 20 times. My blush just disappears, like when I put on makeup. It disappears, and I just have to reapply 200 billion trillion times. Also, guys, the other day, my boyfriend got me these flowers. He's so sweet, like, actually. As soon as the flowers, like, die, he gets me a new set of flowers. It's the cutest thing ever. What was on my shirt? Okay, anyway, we're gonna put on some of this. I'm literally so excited for Chili's because, like, their queso. Okay, do you guys know what Benetton was originally made for? It's weird. I genuinely want to know who actually watches my videos, so if you made it to this point, comment a strawberry emoji, and I love you so much. Okay, so I look bald because I have no lashes, right? Just wait. Okay, I don't really have time to finish my lashes. My family's in the car and ready to leave, and I still need to change, put on deodorant, perfume, all that nonsense. Why do I look like that? Okay, I look better now that I put mascara on the bottom of my lashes. I think that was the little missing part. Now I look beautiful. Okay, whatever. Here's my stupid outfit. I don't know what kind of weird mood I'm in today, so just ignore that, guys, but... Anyways, I have to go. Love y'all. Bye. Jesus loves you.